Sabal students, my name is Arva and my channel name is Arva and Physics. So here I am with my numericals, question number 1, and the numericals will be on multiplication, division and raised to the power. Okay, so let's do it. Let's say we have length of two cylinders given as, length 1 is given as 5.62 plus minus 0.01. Okay, and let's say length 2 given as 4.34 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. Now they want calculate the difference in the length with error limits. You have to calculate the difference in length. You have to find difference in length with error limits. Okay, with error limits. So just solve it without wasting our time. You know that this is our L1 and this is our L2. So what is difference? Difference must be delta L, which says delta L is equals to L1 minus L2. Correct? So this would be one more thing. Since you write delta as a error for some measuring something, so can I write instead of delta, can I write here L dash for L1 minus L2? And since exclusively I am writing delta for errors, absolute errors, I am denoting it with absolute errors, so delta L will be errors. Okay, so length is equals to 5.62 minus 4.34 will give you 1.28. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 1.28 centimeter will give you L dash. Correct? And since both has absolute errors, plus minus, L1 also has error, L2 also has error, so difference also contains error. Correct? So delta L dash will be length. This L dash is the difference in L1, L2, and the difference of absolute error is equals to delta L1 minus delta L2 will give you delta L1 is equals to delta L1, yes, the difference also contains error. And students, if you remember in my part 1 when I discussed the errors, remember if it is as in multiplication and divide we have same formula, similarly for difference and for in sum we have same formula, that is we cannot write difference of the error, we write maximum error, maximum possible error. So that maximum possible error will be plus minus delta L1 plus delta of L2. Do check my video, definitely you will get more and more numericals on that also. Right now I'm just giving you very shortly, I'm telling you, so don't think if you think if there's a difference, so error must be difference in the error means you have to find maximum possible error. And for sum and for if you have suppose x is equals to, you have a formula x is equals to a plus b, or you have a formula x is equals to a minus b, in both cases your delta x will be plus minus a of plus b in both the cases. Okay, this is in short I am telling you, just to watch the video. Okay, so come back to our question. Plus minus, what is delta L1? It is equals to 0.01 plus 0.02. Fine, and this will give me 0.03, right? I don't have a space here, so I am writing it back. 0. Plus minus 0.03. Okay, now they want, if suppose the question asks this is the error limit. Okay, you get the error limit, that is L. What your value of L was? L was 1.28 and delta L, so can you write L dash plus minus delta of L dash is equals to L dash is equals to 1.28 plus minus 0.03 and centimeter. Suppose they want percentage error of it, so how would you write? Remember percentage error, relative percent, actual error is 1.28, actual value, measured value is 1.28 and 0.03 plus minus into 100. So you will get 1. If you divide it, you will get 1 point. You will divide, you will get 2.34. Yes, 2.34 percentage plus minus. Okay, so hence difference in the length will give you this, and if they want percentage, so it is 2.34%. I know you want one more numerical. Just take one more numerical. It is question number 2. Question number 2 says, calculate the percentage error. Calculate the percentage error in determination of, we have one formula 4 pi square L upon T square, where L and T are measured with. L has some percentage, plus minus 2%, and T has some value of L, that is delta L or delta T. They have given you plus minus 3%. In terms of percentage, they have given you errors in L, measured value N, and error in time. And you have to formula calculate the percentage error in this. Okay, that is, you have to find percentage error in G. Students, in this part I'm just giving you mixed question. This question was about the length, where you have plus minus of length. In this question you have a formula of divide. Remember, x is equals to e. This formula is similar, x is equals to a plus b. So what would be the error? Error would be delta a upon a and delta b upon b. Okay, so do it together. Let's do it together. We have we have formula for G. They have given in the question. So what about delta G over G? Delta G over G in terms of percentage. They want in terms of percentage. So later on we will multiply it by 100. So let's we have delta L over L. Since L, look, 4 pi square is just a constant. So dimensionless quantity, remove it. We have variable L and T, so it is delta L over L, correct? L and T is in divide, quotient form. X is equals to A upon B form. A upon B form. So delta T over T plus delta T over T. Remember, x is equals to, we have formula delta x over x is equals to delta A of A, delta B of B, and plus in between. But student, here one more thing, we have raised power. We don't have just a dividend formula, but divide formula, we also have raised power. So T square is it. What I told you, if you have some error in raised power, how would you write? You just write that value, that raised power, let it be in front of that number, in that number. So we have T square. So can I just write 2? Since L is 1, L to the power is 1, but we have T to the power 2. 1, if you just multiply 1, doesn't make a difference, but here we have T square. So just 2 in front of delta T over T, and plus minus sign. Very nice. So what is delta L over L? And one more thing, we have, this is in terms of percentage. We have L and T are measured in 2% or 3%. They have given the values in terms of 2% or 3%, right? So what can we do for percentage? Any guesses? Yes, we just have to simple multiply by 100. Plus minus delta L over L into 100 plus 2 delta T over T into 100. This will give you, this will change this into percentage, correct? And in question they have given us delta L that is percentage in length and t are measured with 2% and 3% errors, right? So this is delta L over L and this is delta T over T, correct? 2% or 3% error. Remember, in this question also, look how we calculate the percent. In our previous question we get percentage error is equals to that value, error value divided by total value, that actual value, into 100, so it will be 2.3%. so this is equals to, how I write this formula? I can write delta L dash upon L dash into 100. In my previous question, can I write it like this? Delta L dash upon L dash into 100. So similarly, how it write percentage it as? Can I write it like this? That is delta L over L into 100. They have given it 2%. Can I write it as this? Delta T over T into 100. Can I write it like 3%? Of course. So what we got it as this equals to this delta G over G into 100 is equals to plus minus, I forgot to put the bracket, delta over T over, that is 2%, 2 plus this is 2 over here into 3. Delta, it is 2 is already in the raised power, so we took out 2. Delta T over T into 100 is 3%. So that will be equals to plus minus 2 plus 6, that is plus minus 8%. 8% error. So many of you thinking, since L has 2% error, T has 3%, so total is 5% error. No, if it is in divide, so you have to follow this formula and delta, then you get 8% error. So actual error is 8% error. Okay. Students, in this video only 2 questions I am telling you. In my next video I will give you more numericals of JEE, board exam, NEET, IIT. So be with me. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz.